Okay, we're going to drain the fuel line today. I have loosened the top of the gas tank, and we can follow the lines down, and this is the on-off valve, and then it goes down to the carburetor here, and we're going to take that line off and drain it into a cup or a gas can. Using those pliers, take the line off. It should just pull off from there. It's starting to loosen up. Have your cup ready. Now, I got just a little bit coming out, but I want to open this line. Now we're getting the gas tank drain. We'll just let a couple more drips and then we'll put it back on. And you can see the little nib back here that it fits on. And it's just a little pinch clamp here that keeps it tight. Got a little rag. A little rag to keep that drip and getting on us, and then we're going to put it back on this nib, just feed it on, and then this little pinch clamp has to go all the way back up to the fitting on that nib. There we go. You want to get it as close to the end of the hose as you can so it's got a nice tight fit. And that will do it. And then we turn that back off again, and should be ready for fresh gas and keeping the motor ready for running. And it's always a good idea to label your gas so that you know what the date of it is and you're not putting old gas in the gas tank. This is Lynn with MI Tinker, and thanks for joining me today for draining this Generac gas tank.